guys, how's it going? Right now I'm in Osaka. Just arrived from Tokyo on the night bus. Took about 8 hours, I would say. Bus stopped like every hour for a bathroom break and to buy food, so that was kind of annoying. Starting to rain a little bit. Right now I'm walking to Osaka Castle. Just kind of taking a little walk around the city. Starting to realize visiting Japan in the summer may have been a mistake. It's like 90 plus degrees out, 90% humidity. Last week was hot and sunny. It's supposed to be rainy this week, so we'll see. First impressions of Osaka. It's organized, clean, lots of people. Basically, it's a big Japanese metropolis. Nothing to write home about, but it's a nice city. I think I could live here. It's really seems like a high quality of life kind of place. I made it to Osaka Castle, and I've just been walking around a little bit. Right now I'm going to take a look at this plum garden, or plum orchard rather. There are some great views of Osaka from the area surrounding the castle, so I'd highly recommend you visit it, just for the views. So let's see what we find in here. Looks like there's a closed floss and convenience store. Bunch of plum trees. I believe these are plum trees. Not 100% sure. I think I read this is a plum garden. Let's look down here. Oh, we're going to get wet if we go that way. This way looks a little drier. It's really beautiful grounds here. Beautifully kept. So they weren't lying about the Japanese summers. It is brutal. 90 plus degrees every day I've been here. It's early August right now. 90 plus humidity. It was raining earlier today, but it kind of let up. I don't think the weather will improve. It's just going to be hot the whole time I'm here, which is fine. Doesn't bother me too much. Just gotta drink a lot of water, stay hydrated. Just at Osaka Castle. I'm still on the grounds here. There it is right there. So you can see it. I would say worth a visit. It's a really beautiful place to walk around. It's free to walk around the grounds. It costs 600 yen to go up in the castle. I decided not to do that because the castle is not really it's not really a historic building. It was destroyed by fire in like the 1600s and then rebuilt and then destroyed again. The current one was built in 1931, I believe. So I didn't really care to go up in a modern building. Just with the There's some great views you can see from the surrounding area, so maybe I missed out. You can let me know in the comments. I probably look pretty disgusting in this video. I'm just sweating like a pig. I've got sunblock all over my face. But you guys probably aren't watching this for my looks. One of my favorite things about Japan is that nobody bothers you. You can just walk around, mind your own business, and nobody will ever say anything to you. Nobody's going to come up and beg or try to scam you or anything like that. I was in Egypt a few months ago, and that was a complete polar opposite. You can't walk 2 feet without someone trying to rip you off or just bother you, pester you. So that's one of the beautiful things about this country. You can just be left alone, wander around, explore on your own time. Nobody's going to say anything to you. Really, really great. Not really sure where I'm going right now. I'm just kind of think I'm a little bit lost. Check the map here pretty soon, see if I can find the main road. Alright, I think I found my way. I'm gonna head back to my hotel now. I think on the way I'm gonna grab some street food. I saw some nice looking dishes on the walk here. So yeah, see what I find. Getting hungry, really thirsty too. Need to grab something cold to drink. I totally get why people love Japan so much. I wasn't so sure when I first arrived, but yeah, it's grown on me every single day. I love it now. It's just perfect for introverts. Nobody is going to bother you here. Great place for me to practice filming these vlogs. I'm not so comfortable in front of the camera, but here people might give me some looks, but they're probably not going to say anything, so I can kind of work at my own pace. It's still hot, guys. Osaka is definitely a beautiful city. I've walked across most of the downtown area. Probably about an hour or so between my hotel and the castle. Just kind of getting to know the city. Lots of infrastructure. Roads, highways, bridges, rivers, metros.